In this video, we will discuss groupware, CRM, CRM client list menu. In this menu, CRM client codes will be listed. A CRM client is a code that you can register in groupware module, apart from the customer vendor codes that are registered in Inventory 1 or Accounting 1 module. You can use a CRM client code for a rather potential customer, and you can use an ERP customer vendor code for a customer that you're currently having transactions with. And in this menu, the existing customers and vendors that you registered in Inventory 1 or Accounting 1 setup menu will automatically appear. And in addition to them, you can manually create a new CRM client code by using New button at the bottom. Firstly, the client code will be automatically given by the program when you click Save. And through Type field, you can categorize clients by groups. Click the magnifying glass and click New and Edit, and click New to register type codes that your company needs in order to manage clients. And after setting up groups, you can connect each of the groups to each client. And in the input screen, enter the other fields like client name, phone number, email address, and so forth. If a single client has multiple mobile numbers or multiple email addresses, you can register all of them after first saving this client. So this time, as an example, we will click on existing client code to see how to do so. So click on the corresponding field, for example, email field, and click function on the right, and click add, and you can add multiple email addresses or mobile numbers. And in the input screen bottom, in Link Customer Vendor field, you can see Shared option. If you check Yes, then the client code will be displayed to all users. If you check No, then it'll appear only to the user who created this code. Next, if you check Active checkbox, the client code will be applied to the Inventory 1 or Accounting 1 module as well. And you will be able to manually set the customer vendor code that will be applied to the Inventory 1 and Accounting 1 module. And next, fill in the other fields as well. And moving on, at the top area, you can see Additional tab. In this tab, you can add and customize input fields so that you can enter the information that your company needs for client management. Click Option at the top right, Input Screen Setting. Go to Additional tab and select the type of field to be added. In Text Type field, you can enter a text, and in Numeric type, numbers. And you can also see date type, code type, and yes and no type. As an example, I will add a numeric type field. And name the field as Reception Budget. And you can also set whether the field will be required and the field's default value. Then click Save to finish. Then, if you enter the Register window again by clicking New, you can find the newly added input field in the Additional tab. So, in addition to manual registration, you can also batch upload CRM client codes by ECOUNT web uploader at the menu screen bottom. click the button and download the Excel template at the top left. Then, in the downloaded template, fill out each column following the respective directions, and copy and paste the data to the web window. Then, if you click Save, the data will be uploaded. And when you view the list, use Search button at the top right to filter search results by various search conditions. And you can also edit the list that is displayed in the CRM client list menu by using Option at the top right. Click Template Setup and add a new template. So in Template Setup window, you can click on each column to add a new field. And you can also delete each column by the corresponding button.